As Vietnam's long-standing development partner, the World Bank has produced analytical recommendations laying out a comprehensive reform package to help the country become a high-income economy by 2045. The first strategic direction is to unleash the potential of the domestic private sector. A core issue is that Vietnam's domestic private sector remains underdeveloped. Approximately 98% of enterprises are household businesses or small, informal firms, which operate at low productivity and rarely grow to scale. Meanwhile, a large share of formal employment and 3/4 of manufacturing exports come from foreign-invested companies and a number of state-owned conglomerates. This dual economic structure, with the dynamic foreign firms alongside less competitive local firms, limits innovation and could constrain future growth. Vietnam's leaders have acknowledged this priority. The party's recent Resolution 68 calls the private sector the most important driver of the economy and sets a target of 2 million private enterprises by 2030. Improving Vietnam's business climate will be key to realize this ambition. Even now, and despite substantial simplification efforts, up to 1,600 different licenses, permits, or authorizations can be required to operate a business in the country.